If you aren't incorporating mycorrhizal fungi into your plant's media, you're most definitely missing out on explosive plant growth, health, and yield. Ben here with PetraGrow, and if you fall into this category, I'd like to introduce you to our mycorrhizae complex, Myco Giant. If you're new to mycorrhizae, they are a group of fungi that develops a symbiotic relationship with plants by linking up with the roots and spreading out into the media to transport nutrients and water back to the plant in exchange for sugars. Other than improved nutrient and water uptake, you can also expect to get enhanced disease resistance, better soil structure, and environmental stress tolerance, which leads to a reduced reliance on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. Now, what's great about Myco Giant is that it contains both strains of mycorrhizal fungi, endomycorrhizae and ectomycorrhizae, and a super high concentration of over 240,000 propagules per gram of powder. What's a propagule, you ask? It's a combination of spores, the reproductive units, hyphae, the fungi's filament strands, and root fragments, which provides improved survival rate, faster colonization, and increased efficiency. So if you're looking for a premium, ultra-concentrated mycorrhizae complex that will boost your plant's health, growth, and yield, I encourage you to give Myco Giant a try to elevate your craft.